Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of out of date on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of out of date on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to Facebook. Then in this list of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.